I hope you are doing well. Today we are installing a very basic thing, ProxyChains with Tor. Actually we have to separately install this and then configure that, but I am going to install that from a script known as Toxy. Go ahead and download it. Git clone and paste the link. It's already there. So where is it? Toxy. Where is it? Yeah, there is it. So let me just remove it for once and let's try again. So now let's open this folder. Here it is. So cd toxy ls toxy.py. So maybe you need to chmod it, chmod plus x toxy.py and then python 3 toxy.py, and it will do these things: clean up, install the latest tool, configure ProxyChains, and start and enable the Tor services. So just press enter and everything should be installed, and you must be root sudo python 3 toxy.py and hit enter, and it will remove the existing installations, any problematic one, and will install the new fresh one. So we are done here. Let's give it a try. If you already opened the browser, just close it and let's give it a try. ProxyChains Firefox. There we go. Now let's check if it is going through Tor. So let's open the Tor project.